Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Sylvia Fitri from class TBI6C. Today, I will explain to you about the use of poetry in TEFL. As we know that many ways, many methods, and many strategies that we can apply in the classroom to teach English. And today, I will tell you about the use of poetry in teaching English in the classroom. Poetry can be used as a medium to teach language as it shows a path to teach basic language skill. And then there are benefits of using poetry in TEFL. The first one is stories. When we are read and discuss about poetry, we learn about stories, and this is an excellent topic of conversation. It will give us inspiration to think of our own stories. And the second one is language accuracy. This is finding the right and most accurate word to say or convey exactly what you mean. Reading and writing a poetry help us practice reading and writing skill. And next, new vocabulary. When we read and discuss about a poetry, we learn a lot of new vocabulary. And the last is creativity. Language is an art, so we need to think about it in creative terms. It's good to use poetry in teaching English language because we'll increase student creativity by create a poetry. And there are English steps for teaching poetry. The first one is read the poetry aloud. Have students listen to you as you read the poem aloud. It is a difficult poetry. You may want to give them some background information before you begin. So, by you give the some background information, your student will understand about the poetry. And the second one is identify and define word to the student don't know. It means that as the student forward that they are unfamiliar with, then have the student write each word definition on their notebook. And the third is read the poetry aloud again. It means that you must to read the poetry aloud again. Listen to a poetry a second time will help students to understand it. Not once, but 2 times and again and again. And the fourth is summarize the poetry. Ask the student to summarize the poetry in their own words. This can be very helpful when you are teaching more complicated poetry to older students. But even with young students, it is important to know what they understand the general idea of the poetry. And the fifth is discuss the poetry. The next step is discuss the poetry together. Ask the student key question about the poetry and characters in it. And the last step is ask student for their experience. It means that you ask your student to make a poetry based their experience in life, and then ask your student to present the poetry that they're made in front of the class. Okay, it can be concluded that poetry can be one as a medium to teach English in the classroom. Okay, I think that's it from my explanation. I'm sorry for my mistake and thank you for your attention. And Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.